Hey, what's up? I hope you're doing well. If you remember in my last video, I shared that I am going to share whatever I learn over these years. So here I am going to come up with a program called Ask Me Anything, which will be one-on-one mentorship program. So it will be in two parts. First, from now onwards, every Saturday 9 p.m. I am going to come up on live on Instagram where you can ask me question on anything. Technical, non-technical, general, how am I journey so far, how I can do contribute in any open source or anything, right? And second would be, there will be a application form, so you need to fill out that application form and selected applicants will get a confirmation email along with the calendar, so where you can block the date and time so that we can have one-on-one interaction. This is for those who are very shy and don't want to speak in the public. So there are two ways you can have a chance to get interact with me. And the motto of this is to help students, professionals who seek for the help, advice, guidance, or who don't know how to get started. Please note that for now I am going to consider only 2 applications per week. However, I am going to consider the rest of the application for the later week and they will get notified via their email. So I can't wait to talk to you guys very soon over the Instagram or live or in person or one-on-one interaction. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram, do follow so you won't miss any of my next update. Till the time, stay safe, take care, and I'll see you soon.